Think about the last time your company made a major IT investment. You didn't have any choices but go for an off-the-shelf solution. Well, the problems were plenty, weren't they? Lack of customization, fewer future upgrades, security threats, obsolescence, additional fees, and much more. Hold on, we've got a solution for you. Did we tell you about custom softwares? We at Quarks develop custom mobile and web software solutions for enterprises and startups. Integrated with data science and business intelligence technologies, we are driven by the best-in-class technology stack and robust project methodology. From idea stage to generating the requirements, followed by design, development, testing, and finally deployment, we provide end-to-end IT solutions. Since our inception in 2012, we've served more than 100 organizations from countries all across the globe, across several industry verticals, building lifelong customer relations. Our solutions are uniquely built and personalized to meet the most challenging IT demands of your business processes. Need help deciding if custom software is right for your business? Talk to us today.